Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a dynamic EQ by using SnapHeap and Slice EQ from Kilohearts in version 2, because version 1 was a different method, so I'm going to explain now how to make this with the new version of phaseplant. So first of all, we're going to we're going to create some noise by adding phaseplant, right? Okay, we have some noise there. And now I'm going to name, that is already named, but anyway, I'm going to name channel 2 phaseplant, and channel 3 is going to be the kick. I have to send the kick through the channel 3 and name it kick, which I already named. And with the kick channel select, we have to right click in the phaseplant channel. So I want to sidechain from the kick to phaseplant. Let's say from the channel 3 to channel 2, right? So in order to do that, I have to select the source from what I want to sidechain to, which is phaseplant. And with the kick channel select, I have to right click in the phaseplant channel in this little arrow here and select sidechain to this track. Okay, now I can select the phaseplant channel and select here SnapHeap and add here Slice EQ, adding a dot somewhere where I want to create the sidechain. I'm going to close this for a moment. And then I have to select here an audio follower thing, module, or whatever you want to call it, and select here external. Okay, but this is not all. I have to click this gear icon here, and then here, and select the processing tab, and in the processing tab, in this second box, I have to right click and select kick, which is, it says kick because I already brought here kick, okay, so that's why it appears with the name. So after this we have to come back to this window and open Slice EQ, open the filters tab, and link from this plus button to the gain of the dot we just put here. Okay, so this way each time the kick kicks in, then the volume, the gain, is going to be affected by the kick. As you can see there, well, I'm going to put this there, right? So you can move. Oh, stop that! You can move this thing in order to set the ratio, kind of thing, and also here you can create some kind of ducking effect. So that's all for now, and hope you have enjoyed this tutorial.